Hi, Laura Davis Taylor, DSF Live, and we are in the LG booth, and we're going to take a look at the new transparent OLED product that was just launched and available next month. Gary, talk to us about what's happening here.
Yeah, so what you're looking at is our amazing transparent OLED with our OLED video wall auto showroom demo. So what we're looking at here is you've got a transparent OLED in the front, 5 of our OLED video wall panels in the back, and then what you're going to see here is you're able to actually configure the car right here on the front panel, and it's going to automatically update and be configured in the back. So you're able to see through that screen and actually see the car come to life as you're moving it.
So Philip here is using this as a touch and controlling the screen in the back that almost looks life-size.
It is. So, this is a partnership. This is not just LG. So we've got a great partner with Zero Light who's doing the software. And we've got a program, obviously, if you're looking at in the background, that's an Audi. So this is really a cool demonstration of how this is going to be used in many different facets. But this one's an auto showroom. We're really excited to show it off to everyone.
So as a retail innovation consultant, I look at this and say this cures a lot of issues. So first and foremost, it can be self-service or it can be a killer tool for selling, right?
Absolutely.
Associate enablement. Then you've got endless aisle. I may not have that particular car in stock, or I may not have your perfect car, but it almost looks like I can touch and feel it. And it looks like, Philip, you're going inside the car too, right?
So if you notice, he's able to go through, and the software is developed here obviously around a car, but you're able to do quite a bit of different things. So this is one setting. Within our booth, we've got also settings for other retail applications where you could come in and you could look at a jewelry case. We've got it set up where it would be the windows set up in front of a retail, set up in a mall, even in a museum. So we have all these different applications where you can really start to say, oh, that's a brilliant idea. Let me think about what that means for my group or my store, my location, my business. And that's the goal of what we're trying to drive.
And there's something about the transparency that makes it feel almost more touchable. One of the things that we've sometimes had trouble with is people don't always know what technology is for the associate and what technology is for the customer. Something like this, especially with some of the movement, the activation, the kind of being able to come through and design it and see it in the wall, you have that bystander traffic effect too, correct?
Absolutely. So again, when you're thinking about it, it's attention grabbing. That's an important part, when you're thinking about retail or in different businesses, but it also wants people to go and take a little bit more time. Let me think about what is it actually showing. Let me go and get some more information. Let me at least walk up and take a look at what that's, products being sold or what it's showing. And that's exciting. It's something different. It's, I think, something that's really going to, highlight some of the different markets that we're after.
Well, and I'd say it's fun too. And
Absolutely.
Don't people want to have fun now, particularly in something where there could be some emotional baggage? Oh my gosh, am I going to go get sacked with a sales guy in the car dealership? This really almost becomes a leveling tool where you can have an experience together. So I could see this for even furniture. I could see this for let me invent my new kitchen. It's kind of pretty much limitless.
Absolutely. I think one of the funnest ones is we have a custom home builder that stopped by the booth yesterday, and they said, well, do you think that we could do this in someone's home? And I said, well, absolutely. Hadn't thought about that application. So I think that this is just opening up ideas. We have a few ideas, but I think it's really going to, once the market gets a chance to think about it and come up with other stuff, it's really going to be amazing how it's used.
So let's talk about business case. Again, as a consultant, I would look at this and I would immediately put a business case to, I'm going to give up this amount of the floor, but look at the ROI I can get from better inventory availability, from my better sell-through. This is not something that's just eye candy. This is a powerful tool. And I'm saying that not as someone who's selling you, yeah, but as someone who sees it, this is a real cure for a real disease.
Well, I appreciate you saying that. We also had that same thought. I think there's a lot we'll uncover in the next 12, 18 months as this actually starts getting deployed in different scenarios. But you're hitting on a few things because I think it really can help in different types of settings. It can help make sure that you don't necessarily have to have a worker being there right up front because you can have the story being told about products up front. People can learn on their own, and then at the right time they can get engaged. I think it should help overall a retail sales environment. It can help businesses tell a story, help customers through that buyer's journey.
This is a really, really compelling thing. Congratulations. And what booth number are you in, if anybody wants to come by?
That's a good question. I don't remember.
You can't miss it. It's the LG booth at the front. You've got to come by and check this out, everybody.
that.
Thank you, Gary.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Phil. This is fantastic.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.